Welcome. Today we're diving into how you can learn new skills quickly and efficiently. Whether you want to pick up a language, master a musical instrument, or get ahead at work, understanding the right strategies can make all the difference. In this video, we'll break down proven methods and practical tips to help you accelerate your learning process. Let's start by exploring why learning quickly is not just about working harder, but about working smarter. Ready to transform the way you learn? Let's get started. First step to learning any new skill quickly is to set clear, specific goals. Instead of saying, I want to learn guitar, try, I want to play 3 songs within a month. This approach gives you direction and motivation. Clear goals help you track your progress and keep you focused on what matters most. Remember, the more specific your goal, the easier it is to create a plan and measure your success. Let's see how you can define your learning objectives effectively. So you have a clear goal, break the skill down into smaller, manageable parts. For example, if you're learning to cook, start with basic knife skills before moving on to complex recipes. This method, known as chunking, makes the learning process less overwhelming and helps you build confidence as you master each part. By focusing on one component at a time, you'll see steady progress and avoid feeling stuck. Let's look at how chunking can simplify your learning journey. Every skill has core fundamentals that form its foundation. Concentrate on these basics first. For instance, when learning a new language, focus on common phrases and essential grammar. Mastering the fundamentals gives you a strong base to build upon and makes advanced learning much easier. Don't rush through the basics. Spending time here pays off in the long run. Now, let's discuss how to identify and prioritize the fundamentals in any skill. Active learning means engaging directly with the material, rather than passively consuming information. Practice what you're learning as soon as possible. If you're studying coding, write code instead of just reading about it. This hands-on approach helps you retain information better and develop practical skills faster. Remember, the more you practice, the more confident and skilled you become. Let's explore some active learning techniques you can use right away. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to make them. Each error is an opportunity to understand what works and what doesn't. Instead of getting discouraged, analyze your mistakes and adjust your approach. This mindset not only speeds up your learning but also builds resilience. Remember, every expert was once a beginner who made plenty of mistakes. Let's see how embracing errors can accelerate your progress. Feedback is essential for rapid improvement. Seek out feedback as soon as possible, whether from a teacher, mentor, or even self-assessment. Immediate feedback helps you correct mistakes early and reinforces what you're doing right. It keeps you on track and ensures you're making real progress. Don't wait until you've mastered a skill to ask for input. Make it a regular part of your learning routine. Let's talk about effective ways to get and use feedback. Instead of cramming all your practice into one session, spread it out over time. This technique, known as spaced repetition, helps your brain retain information more effectively. Short, regular practice sessions are far more effective than long, infrequent ones. By revisiting material at intervals, you strengthen your memory and deepen your understanding. Let's see how you can use spaced repetition to your advantage. One of the best ways to solidify your understanding is to teach others. Explaining concepts forces you to organize your thoughts and identify any gaps in your knowledge. Whether you're helping a friend or creating a tutorial, teaching reinforces what you've learned and deepens your mastery. Plus, it's a great way to stay motivated and engaged. Let's explore how teaching can accelerate your learning journey. Visualization is a powerful tool for learning. Imagine yourself successfully performing the skill you're working on. This mental rehearsal activates the same brain regions as actual practice, helping you build confidence and prepare for real-life situations. Visualization can also reduce anxiety and improve your focus. Let's discuss how to use visualization techniques to enhance your learning process. Consistency is key when it comes to mastering new skills. Make learning a regular part of your routine, even if it's just a few minutes each day. Small, consistent efforts add up over time and lead to significant progress. By sticking to a schedule, you'll develop good habits and make learning feel natural. Let's see how building consistency can help you achieve your goals faster. Don't rely on just one source of information. Explore books, videos, podcasts, and online courses to get different perspectives and explanations. Using multiple resources helps you understand concepts more deeply and exposes you to various learning styles. It also keeps things interesting and prevents boredom. Let's look at how diversifying your resources can speed up your learning. Best way to learn is by doing. Apply your new skills in real-world situations as soon as possible. If you're learning a language, have conversations with native speakers. If you're learning to code, build a small project. Real-world practice helps you see how the skill works in context and makes your learning more meaningful. Let's discuss how to find opportunities for hands-on experience. Keeping track of your progress is motivating and helps you stay on course. Use a journal, app, or checklist to record what you've learned and what you still need to work on. Tracking progress lets you celebrate small wins and identify areas for improvement. It also keeps you accountable and focused on your goals. Let's see how you can set up a simple system to monitor your learning journey. Curiosity is a powerful motivator. Stay curious about the skill you're learning and always ask questions. The more interested you are, the easier it is to stay engaged and motivated. Curiosity drives you to explore deeper and discover new aspects of the skill. Let's talk about how to cultivate curiosity and keep your learning journey exciting. Mentor can provide guidance, support, and valuable insights that speed up your learning. Look for someone who has mastered the skill you want to learn and is willing to share their experience. A mentor can help you avoid common mistakes and offer personalized advice. Let's explore how to find and connect with the right mentor for your learning goals. Learning with others can make the process more enjoyable and effective. Join a community of people who share your interests, whether it's an online forum, local club, or study group. Communities provide support, motivation, and opportunities to learn from others. They also make it easier to stay accountable and celebrate progress together. Let's see how joining a community can boost your learning. Technology offers countless tools to help you learn faster. From educational apps to online tutorials and interactive platforms, there's something for every skill. Use technology to access resources, track your progress, and connect with experts. Embracing digital tools can make learning more efficient and enjoyable. Let's explore some of the best tech resources for rapid skill acquisition. Organization is crucial for effective learning. Keep your materials, notes, and resources well organized so you can easily find what you need. Use folders, apps, or planners to manage your learning schedule and tasks. Staying organized reduces stress and helps you focus on what's important. Let's look at some simple ways to stay organized while learning new skills. Celebrating your achievements, no matter how small, keeps you motivated. Set up a reward system for reaching milestones in your learning journey. Rewards can be as simple as taking a break, enjoying a treat, or doing something you love. Recognizing your progress boosts your confidence and makes learning more enjoyable. Let's talk about how to create a reward system that works for you. Your physical and mental health play a big role in how quickly you learn. Make sure to get enough sleep, eat well, and exercise regularly. A healthy body and mind improve concentration, memory, and overall learning ability. Don't neglect self-care as you pursue new skills. Let's see how maintaining good health can support your learning goals. Time management is essential for fast learning. Allocate specific time slots for practice and stick to your schedule. Avoid multitasking and focus on one skill at a time. Effective time management helps you make the most of your learning sessions and prevents burnout. Let's discuss some practical tips for managing your time efficiently. Positive attitude can make a huge difference in your learning journey. Believe in your ability to learn and improve even when things get tough. Positive thinking boosts motivation, reduces stress, and helps you overcome obstacles. Remember, every step forward is progress. Let's explore how maintaining a positive mindset can help you learn new skills faster. Take time to reflect on what you've learned and how you can improve. Regular reflection helps you identify what's working and what needs adjustment. It also reinforces your learning and keeps you focused on your goals. Try setting aside a few minutes each week to review your progress and plan your next steps. Let's see how reflection can enhance your learning process. If something isn't working, don't be afraid to change your approach. Flexibility is key to fast learning. Experiment with different methods and find what works best for you. Adapting your strategy keeps you moving forward and prevents frustration. Let's talk about how to stay flexible and open to new learning techniques. Distractions can slow down your learning and make it harder to focus. Create a dedicated learning environment where you can concentrate without interruptions. Turn off notifications, set boundaries, and let others know when you're studying. Limiting distractions helps you make the most of your practice time. Let's see how to create a focused learning space. Memory techniques like mnemonics, visualization, and association can help you remember information more easily. These tools make learning more efficient and fun. Experiment with different memory aids to see what works best for you. Let's explore some popular memory techniques that can boost your learning speed. Mindfulness can improve your focus and reduce stress, making it easier to learn new skills. Take a few moments before each learning session to clear your mind and set your intentions. Mindful learning helps you stay present and absorb information more effectively. Let's discuss how mindfulness practices can support your learning journey. Learning a new skill takes time and effort. Set realistic expectations for your progress and be patient with yourself. Avoid comparing your journey to others. Everyone learns at their own pace. Setting achievable goals keeps you motivated and prevents frustration. Let's see how to set expectations that support your learning success. Motivation is the fuel that keeps you going, especially when learning gets tough. Remind yourself why you want to learn this skill and visualize the benefits. Find ways to make learning fun and rewarding. Staying motivated helps you push through challenges and reach your goals. Let's talk about strategies to maintain high motivation throughout your learning journey. Analogies help you understand new concepts by relating them to something you already know. For example, learning to code can be compared to learning a new language. Using analogies makes complex ideas easier to grasp and remember. Let's explore how analogies can simplify your learning process. Deliberate practice means focusing on specific aspects of a skill and working to improve them. It's not just about repeating the same thing over and over, but about challenging yourself and pushing your limits. Deliberate practice leads to faster improvement and deeper mastery. Let's see how to incorporate deliberate practice into your learning routine. Checklists are a simple but powerful tool for staying organized and tracking your progress. List the steps or components of the skill you're learning and check them off as you go. This visual progress keeps you motivated and ensures you don't miss anything important. Let's look at how to create effective checklists for your learning goals. Failure is not the end, it's a valuable learning opportunity. Reflect on what went wrong and what you can do differently next time. Analyzing failures helps you grow and prevents you from making the same mistakes again. Let's discuss how to turn setbacks into stepping stones for success. Accountability keeps you committed to your learning goals. Share your progress with a friend, mentor, or community. Regular check-ins help you stay on track and motivated. Accountability partners can also offer support and encouragement when you need it most. Let's see how to build accountability into your learning routine. Don't wait until you've mastered a skill to celebrate. Acknowledge and celebrate small milestones along the way. Each step forward is a victory and keeps you motivated for the next challenge. Celebrating small wins makes the learning process more enjoyable and rewarding. Let's talk about how to recognize and celebrate your progress. Flexibility is essential for overcoming obstacles and adapting to new challenges. Be open to changing your methods and trying new approaches. Flexibility keeps you moving forward even when things don't go as planned. Let's see how staying flexible can help you learn new skills more effectively. Visualization tools like mind maps, diagrams, and charts can help you organize information and see connections between concepts. These tools make complex information easier to understand and remember. Let's explore how to use visualization tools to enhance your learning. Retrieval practice means testing yourself on what you've learned rather than just reviewing notes. This technique strengthens your memory and helps you recall information more easily. Try quizzes, flashcards, or explaining concepts from memory. Let's see how retrieval practice can boost your learning speed. Inspiration fuels your desire to learn and grow. Surround yourself with stories, people, and environments that inspire you. Watch documentaries, read biographies, or connect with others who have achieved what you aspire to. Staying inspired keeps your motivation high and your learning journey exciting. Let's discuss how to find and maintain inspiration. Rest is just as important as practice. Give yourself time to relax and recharge between learning sessions. Rest helps your brain process new information and prevents burnout. Finding the right balance between learning and rest leads to better results and a more enjoyable experience. Let's see how to create a balanced learning schedule. An open mind allows you to learn from any situation and adapt to new ideas. Be willing to listen, ask questions, and consider different perspectives. Open-mindedness leads to deeper understanding and more creative solutions. Let's discuss how staying open-minded can enhance your learning experience. Application is the final step in mastering any skill. Use what you've learned in real-life situations as often as possible. The more you apply your knowledge, the more confident and skilled you become. Application turns theory into practice and leads to true mastery. Let's see how to make application a regular part of your learning process. Regular review and revision help you retain what you've learned and identify areas for improvement. Set aside time each week to go over your notes, practice skills, and update your learning plan. Reviewing and revising keeps your knowledge fresh and ensures continuous progress. Let's talk about how to make review a habit. Wrap up. Learning new skills quickly is all about using the right strategies, staying motivated, and being consistent. Remember to set clear goals, break down skills, practice actively, and embrace mistakes as part of the process. With the tips we've covered, you can accelerate your learning and achieve your goals faster than ever. Keep exploring, stay curious, and enjoy the journey of mastering new skills. Thanks for watching and happy learning.